Prakash Gaba as well as Rajat Bose join in on the technical side of the markets to put things into perspective. Prakash, I'm just going to come to you on ICICI Goa, Sterlite Industries. What do you make of them on the charts as well as Hindalco?
See, as far as ICICI Goa is concerned, structurally it is weak. There is no sign of strength as yet. But when I see the lows closer to 180, I see the momentum here. Looks like it's turning. So if it does go up, I think ICICI Goa can climb to levels closer to maybe around 215 or so. But so far, looks there's not much downside. It's trying to turn and takes time to turn on ICICI Goa. As far as Sterlite is concerned, well, Sterlite is looking okay. Structurally is positive. Similar structure as ICICI Goa, but better structure than ICICI Goa. I would say this needs to cross the 104 mark. If that happens, we could see perhaps going to 120 zones. So Sterlite has a potential to go to 120 zone. It will take its own sweet time to go there. Hindalco was the next question. Let's see how Hindalco looks. Hindalco looks okay to me. It's better among the two. I think it can go to levels of 128. That's the first stop that we could see. Structurally positive. And if it crosses 128, maybe 135 is on the cards. So if I have a choice between the three, I'll go for Hindalco.
Okay, a choice out of the three, Hindalco would be the preferred bet. But for now, the markets have come off from the high point of the day, 52.90 on last count. Lupin not seeing too much of price action, but the volume chart will reflect that there has been an up move. Rajat, at 52.91, for somebody who has a long position open on the Nifty, what's the word of advice?
Yeah, right since yesterday I have been telling you that 53.19 to about 53.36 would be the major supply zone on the way up, and today's high for the spot Nifty had been 53.17. So now what you need to do is that first of all you look at it this way: if it falls below 52.78, then you are selling, because it can slide down to something like 52.63 or even 52.54 or even 52.41 for that matter. These are the three downside targets for the spot Nifty. And on the way up, even if it were to reclaim 5300, I would still suggest some selling should be done, because I don't think 53.19 to about 53.36, that range would be crossed unless there is huge buying, which appears to be a bit unlikely, because we did on Friday, we sort of overbid our kind of case and came very close to 5300, and that had been too far too soon. So we require some consolidation, but it would not be much below 52.41. So that is the kind of level that you can see. So sell on rallies would be your approach to Nifty.
Okay, that's a word on the Nifty. Prakash, in a market like this where Rajat said that he might just see a little more consolidation and selling pressure, it's a one sell idea and two buy calls?
Well, yes, certainly I see some kind of selling pressure, certainly. So what I would do is Reliance Communication seems to be looking good to me, might hold out here. Structurally, it looks like a base formation is on. Have a very tight stop below the level of 65. And go to levels closer to around 67 or so. So that's a buy out there. ICICI Bank is looking okay to me. I would say it's more of a hold than a buy. You can buy it if you want to, but have a stop below 900. On the upside, we could see target closer to 930. Two buys, now one sell. Infosys could be the best sell here. I think low probability sell, I would say that have a stop just above these levels of around 2510 or 2512. On the downside, we could see levels closer to 2550, 2535 zones. So Infosys is a sell, Reliance Communication and ICICI buy.